Hi everyone, so we have another question on words in context. So again, the question stem is the same, it will not change. Okay, let's go ahead and read the text now. Following the principles of community-based participatory research, tribal nations and research institutions are equal partners in health studies conducted on reservations. What are these tribal nations and research institutions doing? They are following the principles or the guidelines of community-based participatory research. They're working together. What is the principle? The principle is basically working together or being equal partners in the study, right? That's the principle of this entire research type. A collaborative or a collaboration between the Crow tribe and Montana State University blank this model. So what is this collaboration between this tribe and this university doing to this model, right? Now, understand this colon is going to be very important for you in this particular question, because whatever it is that they are doing to this model is going to be further explained to us after this colon. That's a whole usage of a colon, right? So if you've already gone through the usage of punctuations, you know by now that how a colon is being used. And so the explanation of this collaboration is given to us in the part that's after the colon, correct? So what are they doing to this model? Let's understand that. Tribal citizens worked alongside scientists to design the methodology and continue to assist in data collection. So tribal citizens and this university, they're working together. They're working alongside the scientists, which means they're working together, correct? This gives us an understanding that this collaboration between the Crow tribe and the Montana State University is basically also following the principles of the community-based participatory research. They are also following those guidelines, correct? Now, with this understanding, let's go ahead and start eliminating our options. Now, A says circumvents. Circumvents means avoiding. This collaboration is following this model, or following the principles of this model. They're not against this model. In fact, they are following the similar model. So this is bang opposite of what I require for this blank space, right? This is contradicting the text. So I'm going to eliminate A. Let's look at B. Eclipses. Eclipses means, to conceal something. They're not concealing this model. They are in fact following the same principles of this model. So not concealing for sure. Again, B is out, contradicting. Fabricates. Fabricates means to create something. They're not creating. They're simply following the principles which were already laid down, right? They are working as equal partners. It's a collaboration. They're working alongside the scientists. So it's not creating. They are not creating, right? They're just following what's already been established. Now D says exemplifies. It's demonstrating the similar model. So it exemplifies the similar model or the principles of community-based participatory research. So I like this option already as per whatever information is given to me in the text.